Hello all, welcome back to Shave Won't Peg Leg. Just a little unboxing today. Just one box. Yeah, I haven't done a head shave the midweek head shave this week. That bump I took off on Sunday, back of my head, is still pretty much just a scab, and I want to let it heal because I got to shave my head for my date Saturday night on Saturday, so I want it to heal up. I don't think a cartridge would take it off, but I didn't want to take the risk. So what we have here is Wet the Face, Arthur Shelby's Bushmills scent. It's the scent of Prohibition Irish Whiskey along with Tonka Bean, oak, smoke, vanilla, hay, malt, and honey. Now, he's nailed the last two. Let's see if he's nailed the third one. Oh, that Bushmills, that whiskey scent hits you right off the nut. Right off the nut. You pick up the vanilla. I pick up a little bit of the honey and the hay right in the background. Excellent scent. And of course, I got the splash to go with it. I'm sorry, I've been doing some stuff around here. That's why I'm dressed the way I am. I've been cleaning and doing stuff. Because my daughter's due in tomorrow night. And I have to go see Mom tomorrow, which I wasn't planning on doing, but I have to go see her tomorrow because her phone charger broke. It doesn't work anymore. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's brand new. I just bought it for her. So I got to take her a different phone charger tomorrow. That's the splash. Let's see if it's exactly the same or a little different. It's the same. I'm just picking up the... I got a little bit on my thumb. That's a good scent. That is a good scent. That is a good whiskey scent. And it's whiskey enough to drink, but don't drink it. But the smell is whiskey enough to drink. The scent of it. It really is. Alright, that's it. That's all I have for you today. I'll see you on Saturday for the face and head shave. Alright guys, you take care out there. Be good.